Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Enchanted Ways. I am Danielle and I'm being attacked by a fruit fly. So this is the second part in my series on magic geared towards newbies. The first part of this series is titled Before You Light a Candle. My first part is Mundane Influences on Magic. If you haven't watched that yet, go ahead and check it out. And this second part, hold on. Okay, so I don't know what the last thing I just said, except my introduction. So this second part is on divination, because you just need to know how to do that so you can know maybe hidden influences that's going on, what energy or entity will help you best in the particular spell or whatever you want to do. And it's just good to connect in some kind of way with the situation, from as objective a standpoint as you can, and a divination method is going to help you do that, because you can just, stay inside your head all day long, but you pull out a certain card or you get a certain, formation in your tea leaves, whatever, that it just helps. So that's key. So if you don't have a divination method yet that you're drawn to, I encourage that you find one, and the first place you can start is with your dreams, okay? Because your dreams are trying to tell you something. So keeping a dream journal, instincts, little things that you have, because you want to pay attention to just your own internal divination system first and foremost. I know it's easy to get caught up, in external methods because it's fun. Candles are fun. Crystals are fun. Oracle cards are fun. But at the end of the day, you are the only tool you need. And whatever divination method you're drawn to, you're going to notice those that are good at what they do, it's intuitive. They're just going, it's like it's just something to do. It's a habit or just fun at this point. The cards are so shuffled to death, they have no images on them anymore. Like, how could they possibly know what card this is? There's nothing up here anymore. It's all intuition. So try that. If you've been working with some type of divination method for a while that has some kind of booklet or a guide system that goes with it that's going to tell you what something means, abandon that. If you've been doing things, you've been working with divination, a particular method or methods for a while, like over a year, it's time to go ahead and tap into your intuition, and you'll be surprised at just how accurate you are. Like, I remember the very first intuitive reading I did, my husband said almost verbatim what popped into my head. So just pay attention to what pops into your head first. That's what you go off of. Like, for me, my intuition is a quiet voice. My doubt is loud. So my intuition is always right, obviously. I don't know anybody who isn't. And that'll pop in my head first, but it's so, in its wisdom, not going to like jump down my throat if it's not a life or death situation. So my doubt or my logic, whatever you want to call it, pops in, and it's a little more forceful. So if you're like that, pay attention to that and just follow your first mind. And keeping a journal and keeping track is going to help you see where your intuition lies, because everyone is different. So that's just how I work, you know what I'm saying? Somebody may be able to relate to that and maybe not. So that's all I have to say, guys. I'll be back for a couple of more parts in this series, Before You Light a Candle, and then we'll move on to the next series, which is titled Cornerstones of Magic. So those are all of the things that I feel as far as spell work is concerned, you need to be well versed in before you attempt to do any of the more advanced things. So we'll get to that later on, guys. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, click the notification bell, comment, all that jazz, and see you next time. Bye.